In this video, we will show you how to access the ECCMID 2022 CME platform, where you can download all certificates including your CME certificate. Please note that CME points and the certificate can only be claimed until the 10th July 2022. On the website cme.ecmid.org, click on the button Login to proceed to the login page. Please enter your ESCMID credentials on the authentication page to access the ECCMID 2022 online platform. Make sure to use the credentials that are linked to your Congress registration. You will be now redirected to the ECCMID 2022 personal registration profile. By clicking on ECCMID 2022 certificates, yet another tab will open on your browser and you will be redirected to the CME platform. On the top left section, the CME points you have obtained are displayed according to the type of sessions you have attended: live, replay, and on-site. This number is increased if you complete the session surveys. Please complete the session surveys to obtain your CME credits. The second part of this page explains to you how to obtain the other certificates. Here, you will find all the information needed to be able to download the different certificates. The next part is related to certificates. You will find here the links to download the certificates that are available for your account. Only available certificates will be displayed. By clicking on the link, another tab will open with your certificate. The following is related to CME. This section is divided into two different parts. In the top part, the Congress survey is mandatory and must be filled in to generate the CME certificate. In this example, the general survey has already been filled in. Below, you can see the summary of the number of the points claimed as well as the maximum number of points you can claim. By clicking on a day in the list of attendance to accredited sessions, you can see a summary of the sessions you have attended, on-site or online. A day highlighted in yellow means that you did not attend or indicates that you have attended a session on this day. A day in a green color followed by validate in yellow means that you have session surveys to complete on this specific day to get the maximum number of CME. A day in a green color followed by completed in green means that all the surveys for this day have been completed. When you open a specific day, you will find a summary of the sessions you have attended online, live or replay. With each session, a link Evaluate Session is displayed if you haven't completed the survey. If you have attended the Congress on site in Lisbon, a button Claim a CME accredited session will allow you to claim sessions you have attended. By clicking on Claim a CME accredited session, the program is then displayed. From here, you are able to add a session and directly fill in the session survey. It will automatically add your points for the entire session. Let us show you how to fill in the survey. In the session survey, only questions 1 and 3 are mandatory as shown by the asterisks at the end of the questions. Once you have filled the general survey as well as all the individual session surveys, you will be able to download the CME certificate by clicking on this button. A pop-up is displayed explaining that once you generate your CME certificate, you will not be able to update it or generate a new one. Tick the checkbox and click on Confirm. A new tab opens containing the CME certificate. Please note that once the certificate is generated, no more changes can be accepted and no modifications are possible. Therefore, please double check that you have collected all the CME points you want to claim and that your personal information is correct. By generating the certificate, you recognize that no more changes can be applied and modifications are not possible afterwards. Here is your CME certificate. Thank you and have a great ECCMID 2022.